Russia.
Yes, we're Russian tourists.
India, Pakistan, Iran, Turkey, Georgia.
Very good people, and on our way they help us a lot.
Oh, a lot of water. I think it's first time when I saw it.
And I suggest you to go to Russia and be my guest.
इस वक्त हमारे साथ यहाँ पर एक टूरिस्ट मौजूद हैं, हम उनसे जानते हैं और साथ ही हम आपको ये बता चुके हैं कि इस साइड पे एक बड़ा सैलाबी जो रेला है वो गुजर रहा है और ये मेरे अकब में आप देख सकते हैं कि लोग यहाँ पर बड़ी कसी तादाद में मौजूद हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Salam.
What's your name?
Mikhail,
Which country you belong?
Russia.
Russia.
Yes, we're Russian tourists.
Okay.
And we go through Pakistan to Iran and then other countries to Russia. But these floods, unfortunately, not good for our journey.
Okay.
Because the way to Quetta is blocked, and we don't know how we go to the border of Iran. And if you have any suggestions, you can help us.
When you came in Pakistan?
Maybe months ago, but all these months we feel not good, and only now we go from Islamabad to Dar es Ismail Khan
Okay.
to stay in Dar es Ismail Khan and then go to Quetta and Tehran.
You want to go Kashmir?
Kashmir, no.
Why?
We don't have time, and we must go further.
There is so natural beauty and many places for visit.
Yes, but also in Russian mountains you can also find natural beauty, and I suggest you to go to Russia and be my guest.
Inshallah, we will visit Russia, inshallah, very soon.
Pakistan people, as I feel, very high hospitality, very good people, and on our way they help us a lot. So it's very good, and we feel blessed.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for you.
Can you speak?
Yes.
How are you?
Good. And you?
What you want to say?
It's our first time in this city, and there's a lot of people, a lot of cars, very loud. And yesterday was a very strong rain, and we wet and tired.
What do you say about flood?
Oh, a lot of water. I think it's first time when I saw it, and it's something interesting. And I hope no one suffer after that. It's okay, and everyone is safe. I hope.
Okay. How many countries you visit?
On a bike, you mean?
Yeah.
India, Pakistan, Iran, Turkey, Georgia.
Okay. Now where you want to go?
To Quetta and to Iran border.
You want to go Kashmir?
No, maybe next time because we have not enough time.
Okay, thank you so much. Best of luck.
Thank you.
जी बिल्कुल, ये हमारे साथ एक रशियन टूरिस्ट थे जिनको फ्लड की वजह से खासी प्रॉब्लम्स का सामना करना पड़ा। डेरा इस्माइल खान ये जाना चाह रहे हैं और हम जो है वो इनके लिए दुआगो हैं कि ये इनका सफ़र इसी तरह जारी रहे और ये कई कंट्रीज़ का विज़िट कर चुके हैं। जो सैलाबी सूरत हाल है वो खासी गंभीर है। ये आप इन लोगों को देख सकते हैं, ममालिक घूम चुके हैं। हम इनको जो है पाकिस्तान के अंदर वेलकम करते हैं और साथ में हम इनके लिए दुआगो हैं कि इनका ये सफ़र बाखैर आफियत जारी रहे। इसी के साथ मिलते हैं एक और जगह एक और नई स्टोरी के साथ। अल्लाह निगहबान।